You have a black screen on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 1 or Active 2. Even though the screen is not on, you know that the watch is still on. Maybe you feel it vibrating every once in a while. Now take note that this one here is fixed, but I'm going to give you two quick solutions, okay? So the first one is we're going to go ahead and we're going to reboot it. Just press and hold the bottom button down here, the power slash home button here. So let's pretend my screen is totally black here. Just press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see the Samsung logo, okay? So pretend my screen is black. I have no idea what's on the screen. I'm still holding on to the bottom button there. As soon as you see the Samsung logo here, go ahead and let go, and hopefully you're back up and running. Now, if that didn't work, you still have a black screen. Next thing I want you to do is go ahead and grab your charger. I want you to go ahead and pop it on there. And again, let's just pretend my screen is totally black here. Now, while it's charging, I want you to do the same thing. That bottom button here, let's press and hold and do not let go until we see that Samsung logo appear. So I'm still holding on to this bottom button here. Oops. You want to keep that on the charger. Let's do it again. Ready? Press and hold this bottom button. I'm still holding here. Do not let go until we see the Samsung logo appear. Still holding. Still holding. There it is. Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go, and hopefully you guys are up and running. Now the thing is, if you guys are still down, try to do it without it. Try it multiple times, okay? Still didn't work? Then keep trying to do it while it's charging as well. Press and hold and wait till you see the Samsung logo appear, okay? Anyway, by the end of this video, at least like 80% of you guys should be back up and running. So, good luck.